Hello, I'm tired, but let's go anyway, right into this tutorial on how to avoid multi-track events in Vegas Pro going out of sync with each other, with itself, in fact. This is one event, but if you press Ctrl-Shift-D, you will see it contains 3 clips, all in sync with each other. They're all multicam. It's a multicam event, right? And you press this guy to like switch which event it's actually showing. You know that. You're already editing in Multicam. But the wondrous thing about Multicam editing in Vegas Pro is it randomly decides to go out of sync for some reason. And this is the reason. This is how it happens. It's all to do with slipping. When you hold Alt and you click and drag, you slip. And this looks pretty normal. You know, it's sliding over the audio with the video as it should, as you'd hope. You let go, and have you noticed what happened? It slipped this guy, the main guy that's selected, but it didn't slip these other guys. That's horrible. That's pretty horrible, because now these guys are wildly out of sync with this guy. And if you keep editing this without noticing this, and like switch them and keep like sliding them, this is going to cascade into something horrible. So what's the answer? Essentially, never slip again. Never use the slip tool, okay? I'm just undoing right here. That's why things are going crazy up there. I'm just undoing things to get back in sync, right? Because even if you want to do a slip trim, oh, maybe this will work differently. Beep, 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 beep. These guys are on the same frame. This guy's on a different frame. As you can see, sorry. Slide it back. So this guy's on one frame. Now he's on a different frame, but these guys are on the same frame. That's bad. All right, let's say, how about we slip with the audio? It only slips this guy. And this is a very good visual representation of what's happening. You can see what's happening by slipping the audio. This guy's slipping, but these guys aren't. You can see very directly by doing that what is happening. But if you slip trim with the audio, it makes it look like it's working right. Look at that. It looks like it's working right. But when you let go, these go back to where they were, back out of sync again. Delightful. What a time. What a time. So essentially, just stop pressing the Alt key and use alternative methods. Do not use the Alt key. Do not slip if you want to keep your multi-camera editing intact and in sync. Maybe there are other things that cause them to go these guys to go out of sync. I don't know. If so, maybe I didn't fully solve the issue. And in fact, the perfect solution would be for the Vegas Pro team to realize this, see this, and work on it and fix it. Nonetheless, I hope this was helpful to you. I hope that this makes your workflow less unnecessarily annoying. Thank you for your attention.